Stretch it, make sure the money do. Stretch it, make sure the money do. Stretch it, make sure the money do. Stretch it, yo. My bro just came from Dubai, now he wants four. Man, I told him that's madness. Money make the world do backflips. Make sure you keep it all together, elastic. Stretch it, make sure the money do backflips. This one must have came from. If I say then it's gonna be a long thing. What you mean, man? I sound like this guy, which guy? I don't even know what he. Let me sip my tea, can't take me for a mug. Man, I've done it sometime, about time that it clock. Matters, never ended up in McDonald's. And I haven't had a trophy in a long time. Must have thought that I played for the Gunners. Just came back from a matters. See my guys, yeah, we don't do hat tricks. My guy put 4 and he come like I was shouting fresh trim when I step. I don't do no facts, lag. How you say you run this game? I'm ahead of this game. True say that I lapped it. And I took a trip down to Monaco. Went out to Paris, I feel like I'm. Thought I was gonna say it in back pay. These times I was up in late. Flew down the M1, that's more like Kante. You do threads on Twitter and ranting. Doing the most. True say that money is power. So when you get money, keep quiet and ghost. I remember when I shot my shot, but I didn't have guap, so I hit the post. But next time it's a golden goal. And if bro pulls up in the thing on the EUX local, we bang it on roads. And you know that our brother got options, I never been picky, so I'm grabbing both. Stretch it, make sure the money do. Stretch it, make sure the money do. Stretch it, make sure the money do. Stretch it, yo. My bro just came from Dubai, now he wants 4. Man, I told him that's madness. Money make the world do backflips. Make sure you keep it all together, elastic. Stretch it, make sure the money do backflips. This one must have came from. If I say it, then it's gonna be a long thing. Stretch it, must have thought that we came up from nothing. Back then, man, we didn't have Sky Sports. What game? Like I didn't even watch it. OT, always get love when we go OT. My bro G Millie keeps stacking up racks. Weighing up, now you don't go sleep.
Amsterdam, zijn jullie nog wakker? Over enkele ogenblikken de aftrap. Maar eerst wil ik dat jullie deze ploegen een luid applaus geven. Er is afgetrap. Rustig opbouwen hier. Hoppa! Doet u goed? Zo zet je hem op. Indrukwekkend hoor, die trucendoos. Hemel, waar gaat hij met zijn hoofd? Now, let's go. 2-0. Ja, een vrije tackle. They don't want me to know about my heritage. Out here doing what they never did. Sleep is the cause of the death. It's probably why I got so many relatives. Landing in Brazil on a pillar. From the Dutch girls, but a sinner. Said my dreams would have never get bigger. The face of an angel, but a mind of Goed gedaan, de tackle.
maken er weer een wedstrijd van. Belangrijke goal hoor. En ze zijn weer bezig. Zo doe je dat. Net tackle, goed ingegrepen. Ze raken aluminium. Ding dong! Prachtig doelpunt zeg. Mooi gedaan. Zo, er is weer afgezet. Net zoals ik het dacht. Doelpunt! En dat is weer terug in de wedstrijd. Ja, de wedstrijd gaat verder. Nee hè, hij mist de kans op de gelijkmaker. En een slaafde tackle. Soepel balletje hoor. Maak eens wat lawaai Amsterdam. Ik wil jullie horen. Ja, ze tekenen de gelijkmaker aan. Drie en weer verder. Over een minuut is het einde wedstrijd. Dat gaat lekker. Oh, wat een belangrijke treffer. Wat kun je nog doen met zo weinig tijd? Lekker! Dat schot wordt gekraakt. De gelijkmaker moet snel komen. Nog maar 30 seconden. Een goaltje erbij. Dan hebben ze zeker gewonnen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oké, tot zover de wedstrijd. Nou, dat is een bal van. Ding dong! Prachtig doelpunt zeg. Mooi gedaan.
freaking mad about it, had enough of it. talking is great, but I don't be talking. I air it out. All the problems have gotten easy to bury. I'd rather drown in it. I'd rather kiss on my. I've been broke way longer than I've been rich, so until it levels out, I'ma take your mama to the Marriott. Took me so long to get it, gonna spread it out. Let them know all about me when I'm dead and gone. One in the hand, one in the bag, buzzing. One in the hand, one in the bag, buzzing.
All right, kickoff is seconds away now, so please show your appreciation and give some New York love to both teams. And we're underway. She's on fire. She's on fire. New York, let's make some noise! Ah, good save. And we're all square once again. All right, we're off again. Oh, he's got a big chance here. Oh, incredible save. There's 60 seconds remaining in the first half. Oh, good defending to get the ball back. Great opportunity here. They take the lead. Nice goal. We're off again. It's now 2-1. Great defending to win the ball back. You got 30 seconds remaining in the first half. And we're all square once again. And we're back underway. Let's make some noise out here, New York. Seconds left here in the first half. Oh, nice stop, nice stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we're at the halfway point of this game. We'll be back shortly in the second half. 60 seconds remaining. Oh, he's kept him in there. Oh, so unlucky. All right, New York, let's make some noise! Oh, he's got a big chance here. Oh, well, it's in. And you have to think that's it. All right, we're back in the way, and it's 5-2. There's 30 seconds left here. Oh, great save! Well, it's just not their game. Ten. Oh, he mistimed that one. It's a foul. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's full time. New York! Oh, I hope you enjoyed.
En la playa bañado en sudor, los bikinis te quedan mejor. Tú eres mi amor, mol, mol, mol. Cada vez que veo, yo me quedo loco. Tú le
I go with you. I swear daylight comes too soon. Daylight comes too soon. I swear daylight comes too soon. After party, everyone roll through. Don't matter where I go as long as I go with you. I swear daylight comes too soon. Daylight comes too soon.
Nights where daylight comes too soon. Everywhere I go, I bring the man them through. Gotta shout out the girl them too. Nights where daylight comes too soon. Nights where daylight comes too soon. Everywhere I go, I bring the man them through. Gotta shout out the girl them too. Nights where daylight comes too soon. Roll if there ain't a venue. Lime and coke on the menu. Wanna dress cash but bouncers won't let you. Good thing promoters, they can still get you in. Stepped in a bash, already go where I want. Got a AAA pass. Got one for Oak and got one for Kaz. Got one for Mass and got one for Wax. Sit down, man need a sec to relax. If you want a photo, just need to ask. Take one.
Hola amigos de Barcelona, veréis qué bien nos lo vamos a pasar. Empecemos el partido a lo grande. Dadle una ovación ensordecedora a estos dos equipazos. Y rueda el balón. puerta. Se detiene el juego. Falta. Muy bien ahí la guardameta. Último minuto de encuentro y último empujón. Una entrada fantástica. ¡Atención! ¡Uno contra uno! ¡Con esa parada! ¡Y es gol! ¡Tremendo! ¡Ya saborean la victoria! Ahora les toca ir a contrarreloj para intentar empatar. Paradas a la hora de meta. Últimos 10 segundos. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A otra cosa, mariposa. Se viene el paso.
Here we go, my people. It's your boy Truth back again for EA Sports. We're literally seconds away from kickoff. So come on, people, get off your seats and show your team some love. Time to get it cracking. Mid-time now, that's a foul. Nice block. Go on, my son. She's wide with that one. Are we in a party or a night? Come on! Getting stuck in well to win the ball back there. Block. Won it back easily.
Tidying up. Finish. Back underway, and it's 1-0. There it is, 1-1. Back again. A bit late there. It's a good finish there. Great goal to take the lead. And the ball's rolling again. Block on the speed. There's the equaliser. We're all level. 2-2. Here we go. What a goal there! All right, we're back on the way, a 3-2. He's done well there. 20 seconds left until half time. Back in the game. Half time, and that is what you pay your money to come and see back. Amazing. And they're back at it. Good tackle, good tackle. What a block! You can't be doing this to players, man. This should be illegal. Not a good challenge, that. Key block. The absolute peckers on that blood. There it is. It's 4-3. We're back underway. 60 now. Now or never. Oh, he put it away nicely there. 6-3. Back on the way. Good pressure from the defender. Oh, lucky there. She's in the post, fam. They've only got to made it 6-4. Here we go. That's a good time to get a goal, and they still need one more. Well, this game is very much on again, but time never gets them. We're all level once again, with time running out. We're back underway after that equaliser. Only 30 seconds to find a winner. That's what you call strong defending. Alright, that's the game. Full time. Well, that brings to an end a great game. And you've been a great ride. And it's here your appreciation for the players. One.
They say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can act around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name. But they ain't got what's running through these veins. Say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can act around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name. But they ain't got what's running through these veins. Make way for the king. Make way for the kingdom. King me, checkmate then repeat. This chess not checkers. What can I say? I got goat genes. Real kings do king things. Live like one, breathe like one. By any means, everybody can't lead like one. Nah, is it really me? Gotta check and see my legacy like royalty, and I act like it. If you know, better act like it. Look at me now, they can't hold me down. So give me the crown. They say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can act around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name. But they ain't got what's running through these veins. Say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can act around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name. But they ain't got what's running through these veins. Make way for the king. Make way for the king of kings for a long stretch, no limousine. If you talking winners, gotta intervene. I'm the biggest one of those you ever seen. I'ma need a crown. I'm the only one that ever held it down at the tip top. People flip flop every day, not I. Top 5, I'm a big shot. I'm the one that wanna take the big shots. Big rings, big rocks, big bag, big moves, big cars, big man, big plan. Get lost, we've been this wrong. Look at me now, they can't hold me down. So give me the crown. It must be a thing. It must be the poise that silence the noise. It must be the heart that sets me apart. It must be the game that gave me the name. It must be the truth. I could be the proof. It could be the chain. It might be the shoes. They watching my moves. They chasing the fame. But they ain't got what's running through these veins. Make way for the king.